Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable scroll inactive in Windows 11. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my computer with Windows 11, and first of all, I'm going to open my setting. We can click on the start button or the Windows icon, and then we're going to select settings. In the settings, you need to go to the Bluetooth and devices, and you have to scroll down until you find the mouse setting. Okay, and here you will be able to enable or disable the scroll inactive. You just need to click on the toggle button if you want to disable or enable it, just like so. And I'm going to make it enabled, and now it's done. Alright guys, and that's all the way to enable or disable scroll inactive in Windows 11. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.